construction, we have spent $13 billion, 13 plus. In reconstruction, $7 billion. In major extensions, $8 billion. And in major rehabilitation, $2 billion. And that spreads across Guyana. It's broken down as follows. In Region 1, we've spent $817 million. In Region 2, $3.6 billion. In Region 3, $3.5 billion. In Region 4, $8.3 billion. In Region 5, $897 million. In Region 6, $751 million. In Region 7, $2.4 billion. In Region 8, $1.8 billion. In Region 9, $2.8 billion. In Region 10, $825 million. And in Georgetown, $5.3 billion. This includes the building of new nursery, primary, and secondary schools across the country. In Region 1, we are building or rebuilding 5 secondary schools. Those would be the Northwest Secondary, Posororo Secondary, Quebana Secondary, Waramuri Secondary, and Matthews Ridge Secondary. Almost all of those have also dormitories and teachers' quarters being built for them. In Region 2, we rebuilt the Abram Zool Secondary, and we will be rebuilding the Cotton Field Secondary at the same location. In Region 3, we built already the De Willem Secondary. We finished the Westminster Secondary. We are building Nemes Secondary, Tushin Secondary. Those are all large schools. In Region 4, we finished the Good Hope Secondary, the Aracabra Secondary, and we're currently building Prospect Secondary and Caneville Secondary. In Region 6, we're building the Oriala Siparuta Secondary in Oriala. In Region 7, we're building Philippi Secondary, Jawala Secondary, Isano Secondary, and Carao Secondary. In Region 8, we're building Kopinang Secondary, Mykobi Secondary, and Monkey Mountain Secondary. In Region 9, we're building 7 secondary schools: Tapachinga Secondary, Karasabai Secondary, Katoka Secondary, Napi Secondary, Mawaranao Secondary, Yupakari Secondary, and Tapachinga Secondary. In Region 10, we're building Wairuni Secondary, and we have finished the Hururu Secondary. That school, that's in the river. In Georgetown, we are building or rebuilding North Ramveld Secondary, Christchurch Secondary, St. Mary's Secondary, and we finished the St. George's School of Sciences. We've done major extensions, including the finishing off of St. Rose's. We've extended the Bishop's High. We've extended Queen's College and given them 6 form blocks. We are going to be putting a new block at the St. Stanislaus College. We're going to, we have extended significantly East Rheinveld. We've extended significantly St. Winifred's Secondary. These are all major extensions where we were able to accommodate entire levels.